Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how type error not supported between instances of int and str. This error occurs when you try to compare an integer, int, and a string, str, using the greater than sign operator. For example, the following code will produce this error. When you run this type of example code, you will get this kind of error. To fix this error, you need to make sure that you are comparing values of the same data type. In this case, you can either convert the string to an integer or the integer to a string. Here are two possible solutions. Solution 1, convert the string to an integer, and Solution 2, convert the integer to a string. Let's run the solutions codes. Here is the output. In both cases, the code will check if the age is greater than 18, and print, "You are an adult," if it is.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.